We thought about different forms of creatures and how we can amalgamate them to make new animals.
We explored the site thinking about movement, so the movement of the trees, the wind, the clouds. I try to focus on a different sense every time.
We were looking at the sort of environment of allotment soup, which is an amazing sort of outdoor growing space that we have here at Artgene in Barrow. We took that premise of, if you were an insect or you were a plant, what would you say to people? What would be your concerns?
The focus was all thinking about homes and the homes that different species make for themselves and how that can be disrupted by humans or helped by humans. I wanted to focus on journeys. I'd kind of thought, let's use puddles to the sea and let's, whatever we